Welcome to your USAT English preparation series. This is day 1, and today we're starting a focused, step-by-step journey to strengthen your grammar, vocabulary, reading skills, and essay writing. Stay with me till the end, and let's begin this preparation together. On day 1, our goal is to build a strong foundation for the entire USAT English section. By the end of today's session, you will understand the overall syllabus, revise some essential grammar rules, practice a short reading comprehension, and start brainstorming ideas for essay writing. These 4 steps will set the direction for the rest of your preparation. The USAT English section is divided into 3 main parts. The first part is grammar and vocabulary, which tests your understanding of sentence structure and word usage. The second part is reading comprehension, where you have to read passages and answer questions based on them. And the third part is essay writing, where you express your ideas clearly and logically. Knowing this structure helps you plan your preparation more effectively. In today's grammar focus, we'll start with 2 important basics: subject-verb agreement and choosing the correct tense. Always make sure the verb matches the subject in number, whether it's singular or plural. Also pay attention to time markers like yesterday, right now, or tomorrow, because these clues help you select the correct tense. I've also added a few example sentences on the slide so you can practice identifying the right structure. These small rules make a big difference in your score. Now let's move to vocabulary, which is a very important part of the USAT English section. A simple and effective way to improve is to learn just 10 new words every day. Use flashcards or a small notebook, and make sure to use each new word in your own sentence. This helps you remember it longer. I've added some example high-frequency words on the slide, like elicit, pervasive, concur, emphasize, and scrutinize. Try to understand their meanings and practice using them in daily conversation or writing. Strong vocabulary not only helps in the MCQS, but also improves your essay writing. Now let's talk about reading comprehension. For USAT, you will usually get a short passage, around 150 to 200 words, followed by a few questions. Solve these quickly. First, identify the main idea, what the passage is mostly about. Then pay attention to the author's tone, whether it's informative, argumentative, or descriptive. After that, answer the questions based strictly on the passage, not your outside knowledge. Practicing this daily will help you understand passages faster and score higher in this section. Now let's move on to the essay portion of the USAT. For today, you don't need to write a full essay. Just start with the basics. Choose a simple topic, something like the importance of education or the role of technology. Once you have a topic, think of 3 clear main points that support your idea. Then add 1 or 2 examples for each point. This simple outline will help you stay organized and make your essay more structured and convincing. We'll build on this foundation in the upcoming days. Here's a simple practice routine for day 1. Spend 15 minutes on grammar exercises to strengthen your foundation. Then, take 15 minutes to learn and practice new vocabulary words. Next, spend another 15 minutes reading a short passage and answering comprehension questions. Finally, use 15 minutes to brainstorm ideas for your essay. Following this routine consistently will help you build strong habits and cover all parts of the USAT English section effectively. Remember, every small step counts. Even spending just a few minutes each day on grammar, vocabulary, reading, and essay practice will add up over time. Stay consistent, stay focused, and keep a positive mindset. Your dedication today will make a big difference in your USAT performance tomorrow. Believe in yourself. You are building the foundation for success. Thank you for watching Day 1 of our USAT English preparation series. Make sure to follow this routine every day and practice consistently. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to stay updated for Day 2, where we'll cover advanced grammar and essay structure. Keep learning, stay motivated, and I'll see you in the next session.